Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today's look is really special where I have done a reverse makeup look and tried replicating Deepika's Padmavat look. I hope you like this video. Let's get started. Since it is a reverse makeup look, I'm starting with applying concealer underneath my eyes and blending it off. I will also use a light shade concealer as a highlighter to highlight the high points of my face. I'll blend it using a damp beauty blender. This look requires a lot of bronzing, so I'll contour my face properly and blend it evenly. Now I'll go in with my foundation on top of my highlight and contour, so it's a reverse makeup. Again, blending it properly to get that flawless finish. The main thing of this look is the eyebrows, so I'll make sure my eyebrows look really thin. And I'll blend it again using the sponge. I will highlight underneath my brows to give it a nice effect and to make it more precise, and blend everything very evenly. To set my face, I'll use a translucent powder, and I will set all my face using that puff. Deepika has used a lot of warm tones on her eyes, so I'll make sure I do the same. I'm using a very brown toned eyeshadow, keeping the look very natural. I'll just apply a lot of kohl. For my eyeliner, I'll use the same kohl kajal and apply a thick eyeliner with it, and I'll just smudge it out using the black eyeshadow. So I'll take this shade and highlight the inner corners of my eyes, and again this shade to highlight underneath my brows. Now because she has unibrows in her look, so I'll make sure I do the same. I'll take a very precise brush and I will start extending my brows in the center. Do it very precisely and make sure it should look completely natural. I'm taking this shade as my blush. It has very earthy tone to it. I will use this shade as my powder contour and contour properly so that I can get that chiseled face look that she has. I will use this shade as my highlighter and highlight the high points of my face. Fill in your brows and make it look natural, yet there shouldn't be any gaps left. And for the lipstick, I'll be using very earthy nude shade, which should look natural. I will set my face using a basic makeup fixer. Make sure you allow the setting spray to sit on your face for a few minutes and let it set your base completely. Apply your bindi on your forehead just like she did. And here's the complete look. yeah, this was the whole look. In case you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and do hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this recreation. It was really tough, but I tried my level best. Thank you so much.